Hello everyone, here is the week of July 12th, our new unboxing video. Let's get started. Oh, they're all upside down. Positively Izzy. I believe that was a replacement copy. We'll see. How to Survive a Scandal. The King of Jam Sandwiches. The No-Till Organic Vegetable Farm. Walk 2.0, quilting machine stuff. We've got Vivi Loves Science. Let's see, all these are upside down, that's fun. The Chinese Greenhouse. Ooh, lots of gardening books. The Rules of Contagion. We have The Retreat. Freed, E.L. James, I believe this is the last one from her series. Miles Morales. We have some movies. Wrath of Man. French Exit. There we go, Nightmare Alley. We have Men in Black. The Courier. The Procrastinator's Guide to Retirement. This Eden. The Business Transition Coach. We have Unicorn Famous, Phoebe and Our Unicorn. Shark Summer. David Sedaris, The Best of Me. His books are usually pretty good. Explore science with dyslexic children and teens. This is Your Brain on Food. The Forest of Vanishing Stars. The Girl Behind the Wall. We have a large print of Count the Waves. And last but not least, we have the latest in the Yorick and Bones graphic novel series. If you see anything you like, remember, let us know and we can put it on reserve for you. Thank you. Bye.